Ready for the next stage. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, that's one step closer. Okay, I'm here. It's way out in the middle of nowhere. The house is... Time to get started. Hello? Hi, I'm here. Hi, is this Mr. Henderson? It's Clara. I'm about 10 minutes out, I think. The GPS is getting a little spotty out here. You said it's past the old grain silo? I'm at the crossroads. It's just farmland out here. I don't see anything. I'm looking around now. Okay, I see a mailbox. No numbers on it. Just a red flag? Got it. I see the tree. I'm on my way. Okay, I'm here. It's way out in the middle of nowhere. The house is definitely seen better days. Hello, young lady. It's really peaceful back here. Used to be a garden. Now it's just nature taking what's hers. There she is, sleeping. Ah! Ready? Oh my God, look at the lines. She's perfect. Yes. Yes, a V8. This is perfect. Okay, keep coming slow. Yeah, front tires down. Now the back. Easy. Stop. Perfect. Okay, here we go. It's in worse shape than I thought. Okay, on 3, 2, 1, push. Welcome home, beauty. All right, time for you to come off. Here, heavy. Okay, one last push. Got it? All right, time for this to go. Got it, easy now. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, That's one step closer. Dashboard bolts. Got it. Well, that's not getting anywhere. Oh yeah, it's there. But I think I have an idea. The block is looking perfect, ready for the next stage of the build. All right, let's get this floor pan done. Just a little more. Perfect. The rust is deep here, but this is perfect. Ready for the next stage. The paint looks great. Time for the glass and trim. Almost there. Got it. Perfectly flush. All right, bottom edge aligned. All the glass is installed. And the interior appears complete. All right, time to make this perfect. Just need to lock it in. Perfect fit. All right, here we go.